Hi guys. So I just dropped an episode on YouTube. I'm reacting on the press briefing that the CIC Julius Malema did. There's a lot of the jabs that he threw there. So I hope as fighters we are ready because clearly we're gonna be defending the whole week. We are gonna, so please put on your gear and be ready to defend the EFF. But CIC said something very important that I thought maybe I should highlight. That a promise made is a promise kept, that the EFF had promised that they're no longer going to be disruptive in parliament, but they're going to engage and approach things differently. So I do want to insert this little clip for you guys of CIC, but please do go to my YouTube channel. I've dropped an episode right now. There's a link on my story now. Check it out. And also, guys, please do go follow me on Facebook. My name on Facebook is Zizipo Lupelwana. Let's get that account on Facebook to 10K, please. We are on 4.8 now. We just need how many? 5,000 more followers. Then we are sitting on 10K. Let me play this clip for you by Julius Malema, the president of the Economic Freedom Fighters. Yay! Hey! I see. You see, I see is those people abanyola abantu but uzakwenzani. You know those people when growing up umuntu afika kunyola athi so ucinga ukwenzani ke ngoku. Yay! Hi.
He said to you, South Africa, we are not going to be a disruptive opposition. We are going to be a constructive opposition. We are going to hold the executive accountable, and we are doing exactly that. You can be in denial in the media because you had written us off. You said, no, the EFF is gone. The think tanks of the EFF are gone. What's going to happen to the EFF? When the think tanks of the EFF were here, have you ever seen such a superior logic being displayed? Okay, because they are tanks, why are they not tankering where they are? Eh? Why? Because they were superior, they were what? Thinking tanks. Let them go and think tank there, where they are. Where they are, there is nothing. A meeting, a finance committee meeting can sit for 7 hours without those people saying anything. Nothing. So we have demonstrated to you physically that they did not make the EFF. They didn't make the EFF. So we have indicated the thinking tanks are now showing on the other side that they have never been thinking tanks. No, they were wheelbarrows that got pushed around by us. Thanks.